Welcome to Portia's Apron. Congratulations, you've made it to week 2. Here, we have another RAWgust recipe for you. Week 2, which is recipe 4, which is going to be our dinner. And today we are going to make a Southwestern salad with avocado cilantro dressing. We're going to start with 1 small avocado, a ½ cup of water, 1 cup of almond milk, 2 tablespoons of lime juice, 1 teaspoon of maple syrup, 1 clove of garlic, a ½ cup of cilantro, 1 tablespoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of cumin, and then we're going to blend those ingredients together. Place a bed of lettuce in a medium bowl. Layer corn, tomatoes, mango, red peppers, avocado, pumpkin seeds, red onions, and cilantro on the top of the bed of lettuce, side by side and right next to each other. After, you'll drizzle your homemade dressing, serve, and enjoy. And there you have it, a raw Southwestern salad for your RAWgust challenge. I hope that you guys enjoy. Please share with your friends and family. Like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel.